did you see, Carmen? What did you see? Did you see something scary? Poor Carmen. Poor Carmen. Oh. I got you, little girl. I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you. You're okay. You're alright. Poor Carmen. Poor Carmen. Okay. Oh. Poor buddy. So cute. You okay, Carney? You okay? They were all alarming a bit ago, and Cinder the dog came running out and chased something away, and gave him worms, and Carmen's the only one that just won't settle down. It's okay, Carmen. It's gone. It's gone, Carmen. Poor Carmen. Aw, it's okay.